Welcome to Nature Plants. Today we learn 6 important plant words in English: tree, flower, grass, bush, plant, leaf. These words help us talk about green things around us. Plants grow everywhere. They make air clean. They give us food and shade. Tree and flower are 2 plant words. Tree is a very tall plant with thick brown trunk and many branches. Flower is a beautiful plant part with bright colors and soft petals. Both grow from ground. Both need water and sunlight. Grass and bush are 2 more plant words. Grass has many short, thin green blades close to ground. You see grass in parks and fields. Bush is small plant with many woody branches, but not as tall as tree. Plant and leaf complete our list. Plant means any living green thing that grows in soil. Leaf is flat green part on branches or stems. Leaves catch sunlight to make plant food. Tree is tall wood plant. Trees grow very high with strong brown trunk. They have many branches covered with green leaves. Trees live many years. They give shade and clean air. Flower has colorful petals. Petals are soft, thin parts around center. Flowers smell sweet. They grow on short stems or tree branches. Flowers make seeds for new plants. Grass has short green blades. Blades are thin leaves very close to ground. Grass grows fast after rain. Animals eat grass. People walk on grass in parks. Bush is small wood plant, smaller than tree with many branches from ground. Bushes have thick stems and green leaves. Some bushes have thorns. They grow in gardens. Plant is living green thing. All trees, flowers, grass, bushes are plants. Plants need sun, water, soil to grow. They make oxygen for us to breathe. Green color comes from chlorophyll. Leaf is green plant part. Leaves grow on branches or stems. They are flat and thin. Leaves catch sunlight and make food for plant. In fall, some leaves change color.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.